It's important as a leader to connect with your internal stakeholders. As an administrator, you need to work well with a variety of people, which includes your union reps, your teachers, your parents, your administrative assistants, your tenured staff members, and at times to understand who to listen to and when to tune out the naysayers. It's important to connect with and build relationship with all of your internal stakeholders. But as an administrator, it's even more important to have the wisdom to realize who you really need to listen to. Because at the end of the day, you cannot listen to every voice, nor can you allow every voice to get into your head.